Hello and welcome back. So from this class I'm just gonna create a new project named portfolio there. Okay, so I did some things. For example, there is the portfolio folder. I just copied the JS fonts and CSS folder here in the portfolio. I just pasted and then I just created the index.html file. Okay, so what is this index.html file? This is the old one file, but in this index.html file I'm just going to show you what it is. Let's just click on that, and now you can see that this is just same like that one, but definitely I'm just going to change. I'm just going to delete this div because why I'm just deleting and actually how I just want to make this project. I'm just thinking to create this project using the scroll spy techniques which you just learned in the basic bootstrap. So now let's just create the navigation, and you know that it's impossible, it's actually not impossible but really typical to put the navigation inside the container because the navigation needs the free hand and free space. So by the way, let's create the class and navbar, add in space, and then navbar inverse, and go down inside this navbar, and let's just create the navbar. First of all, I'm just drawing the UL. You know about the UL already. And then here, let's just type the li inside the UL. And in the first one, the li, I'm just going to put the a and href hyperreference, and then the hashtag cover and complete the a, and here the home, duplicate that, and then just type what we do, and then what about me, and then contact me. Well, when this is a portfolio or the personal website, so why not I just type what I do. So save that and go to the browser to check that it is perfect or no. So there is a folder, the bootstrap, and let's just go to the portfolio. Open up the website which you just created. This is what you just created. The mean is that there is something we must have to do more. Actually, we have to go to the UL and we have to add a class here, the nav bar nav. Now save that and refresh that. This is what I just wanted to create, and I just created. Definitely. Well, for adding more interests, I'm just going to the navbar's main tag and just typing navbar fixed bottom. Now save and then just go to the browser to check, and this is what I just created. The menu is on the bottom. That is really perfect. Now I'm just pressing an enter, and then just creating some sections, you know, that we just learned about this scroll spy already. Removing the extra s, and then this is a section we just created. Well, if you just want to convert this layout into the complete scrolling mode, let's just type the data spy and then the scroll. Okay, and then data target. So there, do the same as we did before, the navbar, and then save that. Well, go to the browser and refresh that. Now this is what I just want and I just created. So the second thing is going to the section actually, and then for the first one section I just need to paste some images. I just want to show the image here. So going to the folder, and actually I have some files in my clipboard. I'm just gonna create the folder, and then the folder name should be images, and inside these images I'm just pasting the images. Okay, these images I just got from the internet, and I'm just gonna apply all these images on my project. So by the way, this project will be really simple and really beautiful. So in the first ever section I am just adding the ID, home, okay, and then style. Okay, the first one is style. I'm just adding the background, and then I'm just typing URL, cover that, and then here I'm just typing the header.jpg. Okay, now save and go to the browser. Oh, not directly the images, actually the, sorry, not directly the header, the images folder is really necessary. There isn't anything I'm just getting, which means we have to do something more. And what is that? Well, for now I'm just setting the background size, and the size should be 100% and 100%. Now save and refresh that page. Oh yeah, I just got the error. What is the problem I'm just getting? Actually here I just have to create the style tag. Okay, and inside this style tag what I need to do is creating the section, and then here the width 100 VW. Okay, and then just going there and doing the same height with the height actually VH. Now save and go to the browser and refresh. Now I got the image now. Just why? Because I just mentioned the height and width of this section. That was the problem I was having continuously. So the second thing is what I need to do. Need to put some data here in the sections area. So I'm just opening this section here. Okay, so what I need to put here in the sections area, I'm just typing, first of all I'm just putting the h1, and there just typing my portfolio. Anything which you just prefer you can type here. The p and the class of the p is cover that. Okay, now I'm just putting the class here. I'm just using the lead class. Why I'm just putting the lead class? Because if you just remember that we've learned in the starting sections, in the starting section of this course, that in the text style that the lead can grow up the text, the paragraphs text, whatever. So let's just read myself. Oh sorry, not self and contact me. Okay, save and go to the browser and refresh that. Now you can see the text is there. So for now I'm just doing one more thing, adding the padding here, 50 px. I just added the 50 px padding and refreshing that back. Now you can see that it's arranged, but the problem is that my text is not really visible for me to see or anyone to see. So how it make it visible? I'm just creating a new class CL white. Okay, and there inside the CL white what I'm just doing is just creating the color white, and then here in this section I'm just applying that one, the class CL white. Now save and refresh that. Now didn't happen. Why? Just because here I didn't mention the point, period, or the dot, whatever you say. Now you can see that the text is white, which I just want, and then I'm just gonna apply the bootstraps class, which is the text center. So by the help of the text center we can get the text in the center, which is I just want. So this is really perfect. Some more things that I'm just gonna do is just adding some buttons here at the bottom of the text. Okay, so there I'm just adding the class button, oh sorry, btn, and btn default. Save and then just type here contact me. Save and refresh. This is the button which we just added. So in the next class we will continue the work where we am just left, where I'm just stopping. So stay tuned and goodbye.